Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making delicious ogbono soup. This soup was so yummy, guys, so let's get right into the video. So firstly, I'm going to cook my protein. I'm using mackerel fish, beef and stockfish. So I'm going to add in some grounded pepper, and I added some salt and seasoning cube. So after adding the seasoning, I'm going to add water, then mix together and allow it to cook for 5 to 8 minutes. And this was about 8 minutes, so I'm going to take out the fish. I don't want it to get scattered. So after taking out the fish, I'm going to add more water, then allow the meat to cook until it is very soft and tender. So at this point, our meat is nicely cooked. I'm going to set this aside. So into another pot, I'm going to add in palm oil, then go in with my ogbono, grounded ogbono. So I'm going to start to mix until everything is melted. And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate. So at this point, ogbono is melted. Then I'm going to add in the boiled meat and water. So I'm going to mix this up. So I will be adding more water so that the ogbono will not be too thick. I don't like my ogbono to be too thick or too watery. I just like it normal. So I'm going to stir and allow it to cook. Okay. So the next thing now, I'm going to add in grounded pepper, salt and seasoning cube. Then I will mix this together. So the ogbono was still too thick. I added more water. So I'm going to mix together. So now I'm going to go in with some dry bala fish and boiled fish and crayfish. After adding this, I'm going to stir. At this point, our ogbono soup is almost ready. So now I'm going to add in pumpkin leaf, also known as ugu leaf. Then I'm going to stir everything together. Guys, this soup was so yummy. So what will you be eating this with? I ate mine with pounded yam. So I'm just going to stir and voila, our soup is ready. If you have watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video and also drop me your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.